This is so good. As I promised last week, I'm going to share with you these easy, simple recipes only used for sauces. Let's get started. As promised from last week's video, I'm going to share these very easy and simple recipes using only 4 different seasonings. These are simple ingredients you can get from Asian supermarket. Start by soak these vermicelli noodles in the water. Garlic and onion chopped finely, and in the bowl add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, and fish sauce, just 1 tablespoon, and mix well together. Add the chicken breast and the oil, this onion and garlic. Cook the chicken for about 3 minutes, then add the vermicelli noodles. It's been soaked for about half an hour, and the rest of this. Add the rest of the sauce and the chicken stock. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.